Hello Watch fans, this is Charles Walhingford back again, and I have some subject matter I want to talk about and get a better understanding, or have a question for you and maybe you can give me some better understanding, and that is in-house movement. In-house movement is the battle cry of the watch snob, because if you have anything but in-house movement, your watch is not a luxury watch, or you don't have a good watch. Okay, we have brands like Tag and Breitling, Ball. They use these ETA movements, and they modify these movements. Most of these movements are COSC certified movements, but they're ETA movements. I don't understand why people are so critical on watches that have these modified ETA movements. Another thing with this is, if you're not doing something extraordinary with the movement, it's a basic three-hand movement, it doesn't make that big of a difference either. Not till you have a serious watch with some serious complications should it even matter. For an example, the El Primero, that has a 36,000 VPH. 36,000. Most movements and ETA movements are 28,800 VPH movements. And then with the Breguet caliber 589F, that has a 72,000 VPH. That's extraordinary. These movements, that Zenith movement for the El Primero, it's a chronograph movement, as we all know, and the Breguet 585F, that's in the, if I'm not mistaken, the type 21 or 22 watches, where they have more than 3 hands. It's more than the basic chronograph movement also. Oh yeah, let's talk about this El Primero movement. This El Primero movement was not only used in Zenith watches. Oh yeah, it was used in the Daytona. Oh yes, it was used in the beloved Rolex Daytona until 2000, so fairly recent. So why are we giving Rolex a pass? But why does other brands get a pass, or another brand, one brand, get a pass? Why does Tudor get a pass? And don't get me wrong, I love Tudor. Tudor is one of my favorite watch brands. I love everything about Tudor. But why do they get a pass? Why do the watch snobs say, oh, that's different, or I'll collect the Tudor, I won't collect that Tag Heuer, or that Breitling? Not that Breitling, no. But you'll take a Tag. I mean, you'll take a Tudor. The Tudor's fine. I don't understand. This Tudor watch is a luxury watch, but the others aren't. I don't understand. Let's go with my example of the Pelagos. The Tudor Pelagos. Man, I like that watch. Many people love that watch. What movement does that have? The same ETA 2824-2 movement. That's the same 2824-2 movement of a Tissot titanium automatic. I don't get it. It doesn't add up. maybe Rolex and Tudor put together a better watch, better quality, better materials, maybe more prestigious, okay. But they're still using the same non-in-house movement, aren't they? I'm just saying. Just trying to understand. Let me know what maybe I'm missing. Because I don't know what's the difference between a Breitling and a Tudor, a good Tag Heuer and a Tudor. How do they get away with it? And the other ones take all kinds of scrutiny and deal with all kinds of criticisms. But Tudor can get away with it. I don't know. Doesn't make sense to me. It's right there in front of you. I laid it out for you guys. Let me know how you feel about that. I'm Charles Walhingford. I guess Tudor is how you have to spend your money. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.